All right, so let's try some Russian splits on the reformer. These are super advanced, very challenging. So normally I'll get into this. You want to make sure your hip width apart. Normally I high heel. So normally you would high heel 1 foot here. And then you could use the foot bar, bring the other foot up. But you want to just make sure you're in a really good spot with that other foot. I'm on one red spring. And then you want to find your balance. We have the tower here, so just if you have that, be careful. Find your balance. Straightening. Bending. These are really, really challenging. Could always bring the arms out in front. Ooh. Last one, and then try to stay out with the straight leg and go out and in. I'm just gonna do 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and then you're gonna carefully come in and you can add the stretch in. Okay, let's try to do the other side. This is definitely extremely advanced. Okay, so you're high heeling the foot, other foot on, one red spring. Let me try not to hit the tower. Okay. Find your balance, extending, bending in. This is definitely a very challenging balance. 3, 2, last one. I'm going to stay out with the straight leg, out, in. Really focusing. 3, 2, last one, and then I'm going to come down. I'm going to do the stretch. Not easy. Really hard, especially just like keeping your balance there is very challenging. And then I'm just gonna add one more stretch in. Come on to one shoulder stretching. I love to add these in. Other side. Yeah, and those are really hard Russian splits.